Hello moneymakers! Last week I was free and was scrolling on YouTube, then I saw this video. And then this one. The beats of music is synchronized well with the marble, and it was looking just awesome. When I opened their channel and I found that they are creating these videos and have gained over 600,000 subscribers by just uploading 82 videos. I found another channels that has more than 500,000 subscribers. These videos are also uploaded on TikTok, and they are getting good results over there too. I woke up from bed and did a lot of research on how to create such videos without getting copyright strikes. After working for almost 2 days, I have found the secret method to create these videos with the help of AI. The whole process is done on a game called Beat Bounce. Rest assured, in this video I will show how to create such videos for free and also how to edit them to avoid any copyright issues. These niches are shared by many gurus on their courses worth more than $500. However, I am on a mission to share the best niche on this channel, all for free. So let's get some mango juice, settle down, and watch this video till the end. Let's get started. First, download this game called Beat Bounce from the App Store. Or if you are an Android user, you can download this game called Music Ball Tunes from the Play Store. Alright, after downloading the app, open the game app, and then you have to play the tutorial to gain access to the menu. Now here you can see the levels that you can play through. Just select one and start playing. But this is not where we will be making the video. Click on back to the home page, and click on User Levels, which is on the bottom of the screen. Here you will find a range of pre-made levels that you can record and use in your video. First, download any screen recording app on your mobile and start recording. Then choose one of this level. For an example, let's choose this one. Now all you have to do is click on this autoplay icon and turn on this feature. This will remove the game functionality and allow you to only record the animation. And there it will play automatically. You do not have to play the game to record a video. However, if you want, you can also choose to play the game whilst recording the video. This will stand you out from the other creators or your competitors. Alternatively, you can also create your own animation with your own music as well. Click on the Level Editor button, or you can either choose audio from the app itself and create the video from that as well. Just choose the song which you like. After choosing the songs, you will be directed to the editor. Here you will find the path of the marble which is in sync with the music. Now play around with the editor to become familiar with this. From here you can add rails, tube, plane, or text. Add it and adjust it as per your requirements. At the top of the screen you can also choose the color of the balls. Choose one which you like. Then choose lightning and the background. There are so many options are available. Moreover, you can also get the option to choose bounce animation as well. So using these options, you can create your own animation and make the copyright-free content with this game only. Alternatively, you can also upload your own music MIDI file. You can take music from the free sites such as Upbeat or any other free ones, or you can also generate your own unique music with any AI music generator tool. This will make your video 100% copyright-free. Alright, once you choose the music, now you have to convert the MP3 file into a MIDI file. So open your browser and search for the MP3 to MIDI file converter. Then upload the music, then click on Start Conversion. And that's it. Our MIDI file is ready, let's download this. Now open Beat Bounce game, click on the import file and upload the MIDI file. Now enter creator name, song name, and artist name. Then choose the difficulty level, and hit next. After that, create animation. With these features, add text, tubes, rails. You have to practice a lot on this game to make yourself familiar. Once you're done with editing, click on Publish. Now start the screen recorder, set it in autoplay mode, and tap on the screen to start. So there it is. Your video is ready. Now open any video editing software. I will use CapCut. First, import the screen recording video into CapCut. Then add it into Timeline. Now, trim the unwanted part from the video. Then click on Text and add a text box. Then write your channel name to create a watermark, so no one will copy your video. Make sure to decrease the opacity of text. Alright, so now this video is ready to be uploaded. This is how you can create a music ball video without any hassle.
I have always shared my expertise and new ideas on this channel, as I have over 10 years of experience in content creation. I started off as a video editor, and then later I was managing big channels for my clients, from content planning to publishing videos. As a result, you can see that my channel has grown from 0 subscribers to what we are today. I have 5 more channels on different niche which I currently manage. Apart from my free content, if you are looking for a coaching or mentorship directly from myself, I am taking 5 new people this month to my coaching program, where on a live call I will teach you content creation business with AI. Also, you will get 1 year of support directly from myself through Skype. So if you are interested, you can email me or ping me on my Skype, which is mentioned in the description of this video.
Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.